Should I repair a 20-year-old furnace? Usually, repair it only if the problem is minor, the furnace is safe, and the repair costs much less than replacing it. A 20-year-old furnace is near or beyond the usual service life of many models, so age matters when deciding what to do. Start by having a licensed heating professional inspect the furnace, especially the heat exchanger, burners, venting, electrical parts, and safety controls. The heat exchanger is important because a crack can allow dangerous carbon monoxide into your home, even when the furnace appears to be working normally. Ask for a written repair estimate and the furnace's efficiency rating. Then compare the repair price with the cost of a new, properly installed system. A small fix, such as a blower motor, thermostat, capacitor, or igniter, may be reasonable if the rest of the furnace is in good condition. A major repair, such as replacing the heat exchanger or control board, may not make financial sense because other old parts could fail soon afterward. Older furnaces also waste more fuel than newer high-efficiency models, so replacement can reduce monthly heating costs, although the savings depend on your fuel prices, insulation, and local weather. One detail many homeowners miss is that replacement parts for older furnaces may be difficult to find, which can make a future breakdown last longer. Install working carbon monoxide alarms near sleeping areas and never attempt to repair gas equipment yourself. One common mistake is judging the decision only by the repair price, so also ask about expected future repairs and operating costs. Another mistake is assuming a furnace is safe because it still produces heat, so require a professional safety inspection and carbon monoxide testing. Some homeowners replace equipment based only on the lowest estimate, but poor installation can reduce safety and efficiency, so check licenses, insurance, references, and warranty details before choosing a contractor. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bhomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.